decision I took in my life and whatever the ideas which shaped me as a person, mostly they were driven by the love for the thing I wanted to do. So I born in a small town in the state of Jharkhand. It's called Hazaribagh, literally meaning the city of thousand gardens. And here I am in Bangalore, which is also called city of garden. So journey from the city of thousand garden to the city of garden, it is not perfect, but it's really fun filled, and I would like to share some part of it. So my parents are doctor. My mother is a gynecologist and my father is orthopedic surgeon. So you might be know what will be the scenario. They wanted me to be a doctor because I am the only child they have. And I remember till class 8 or 9, I was okay with this concept. I was not very fascinated to be a doctor, but I was okay with it. Then in class 9, I got two horrible chapters in my biology. That is called life process 1, life process 2. Hopefully you might also have those chapters in your biology courses. This talks about basically cells, tissue, or hundreds of biological life systems which we have inside. I got really irritated from those two chapters because it always make me feel that I'm creator of I'm somebody's creator. I'm like a machine, somebody designed it, I'm working like that. And in contrary, when I used to read maths or physics, I'm the creator, I can create some of the things, I can discover laws in the nature, and said, no man, whatever the thing, I cannot become a doctor. I decided that day. So when I passed plus 2, then I took maths. I never took biology even as my additional paper. So my parents really got pissed off from me. Especially my father, he didn't talk to me for one month because he was worried who will run his nursing home. And so anyway, that all went fine. Then I started preparing for IITs. That is very norm in my state to prepare for IITs and CBSE exams. Then I wanted to become a mechanical engineer because I heard that there you will use physics and maths more. Then I bought a desktop computer, and it was like shock and amazing thing for me. It was like I used to watch a lot of cartoon that time, and Aladdin was one of them. And I used to compare it with, it's like Aladdin genie. The only thing, instead of Arabic, it takes command in a programming language. So I heard, man, this is really awesome. You say something and somebody is there who will do whatever you want to do. And I learned basic, and I took additional papers of CA and in my plus 2, and I really wanted to be computer engineer now. My point of being a mechanical engineer changed to computer engineer. So I given IIT, I got good rank in. There used to be 2 exams before, PT and mains, but unfortunately I suffered from typhoid and not able to get marks in mains exam. So I got chemical engineering in IIT Kharagpur, and I given CBSE exams. So I was getting computer science in MIT Manipal. So again, my parents and everybody said, no, you have to be in IIT. Whatever subject you study, I don't care, but be in IIT. Then I said, no man, if I study chemistry, it doesn't good for me. So I again followed my whatever the thing I liked and joined as a computer science student in MIT Manipal. And 4 years were really awesome. I'm not saying I was the topper of my branch, but I used to get good CGPA, and I used to love the subject. Whether I get good marks, bad marks, doesn't care for me, because I used to love the reading those concepts. And so because I used to love those doing this exercises and things, I used to get a lot of extra time also. So I joined. Later on, I joined the band because I used to. Because there was a really lack of Hindi singers in my college band. Most of them were English singers, because MIT, most of people from NRI, most people are NRI, so very good English singers. I joined as a Hindi singer. Then all 4 years I really enjoyed. Then after final semester, what happened? Everybody wanted to do MBA in my college. I joined that bandwagon. I also went for time classes and all. I prepared well. I got good marks, and also because it also includes math, and also it was good for me. So, but when there was a CAT exam coming up, before 1 month, I said, no, I'm not going to give this exam, because I said, I don't feel like going to anybody and sell Coca-Cola, or okay, buy this cloth, buy this Amul butter cheese. I was still interested in computer and work related to it. So I would like to, so that's one of the journey of my life. And so I would like to close my icebreaker by seeing a very nice quote what I seen in today's mail, that the journey is more important than the destination. because the finishing an activity is not really fun. The fun is the doing the activity, and when you will have fun when you are only when you do the activity which is suited to you, which is perfect for you. It doesn't mean that it will be perfect journey, but it will be very, very fun filled journey. Thank you.
That was awesome, isn't it? So please take time to fill your feedbacks, the feedback form.
Even I have to fill? Or
Yeah, you can also fill it. Abhishek, can you just pass it? No, that sheet.
Yours is
No,
not.
it's
Yeah.
usually better.
You can avoid giving feedback.
It's proactive.
Well, let's move into the next section of the Toastmaster session. So the next section is table topics. So let me introduce today's table topic master.